everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's story is related to the virtual reality. Once upon a time, the world not far so away, there was a young girl named Maya. She had always been fascinated by technology and the endless possibilities. One day she stumbled upon a strange looking headset in her father's office. It was called virtual reality headset. Curious Maya put on the headset and was instantly transported to the complete new world. She found herself standing on a virtual beach, feeling the warm sun on her skin and the sand between her toes. She could see and hear the waves crashing against the shore and even smell the salty air. As she explored his virtual world, Maya realized that she could do anything she wanted. She could fly, run, and even swim with dolphins. Endless. When Maya's father explained to her that his waves just a simulation, a virtual representation of reality, the headset was using sensor and software to create a fake world that felt incredible reality. Maya was amazed. She had never experienced anything like it before. She realized that virtual reality was a magical window into another world, a world that was created by technology. From that day, one away spent hours exploring virtual world, learning about science history. She realized that virtual reality was not just a game but a tool that could change the world. We learn, work, and interact with each other.
Thanks for watching my videos.